Gazebos are a great way to add some shade and privacy to your backyard, but sometimes the process of hanging curtains can be a bit daunting. The thought of drilling holes into the frame of your gazebo can be unappealing, but thankfully, there are a variety of ways to hang gazebo curtains without drilling. In this video, we will explore some of these methods and provide tips for ensuring a safe and secure installation. Hanging curtains in a gazebo can serve a variety of purposes, like adding privacy and shade or decoration to your outdoor space. But let's start with the methods for hanging curtains without drilling. First, we have clips or hooks. These can be attached to the top of the gazebo frame without the need for drilling. They are a great option if you don't want to damage the gazebo frame and are easy to install. Next, we have tension rod, which is a rod that is placed across the top of the gazebo and held in place by the tension. This is a great option if you want to avoid drilling into the gazebo frame, but still want a sturdy curtain rod. Another option is a freestanding curtain rod, which is placed inside the gazebo and held in place by the weight of the curtains. This is a great option if you want to avoid drilling into the gazebo frame and have a gazebo with enough space to place the rod. There are several methods for hanging curtains without drilling. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.